YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you guys today, man. In today's video, we have another episode of Sneaker Talk. I believe this is episode 22 of Sneaker Talk. So, before we get into that, though, make sure that you go ahead if you're new here and hit that red button. Join the anonymous Sneakerhead family. Turn on your notification bell, all of that. Also, make sure that you take the second to smash that like button. It really helps with the algorithms, helps bring videos to more people, which could potentially bring more people to the channel. And then last but not least, make sure that you follow the Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of sneaker content up there first. And then one last thing before we get into the video, I am an ambassador for Popl. That's P-O-P-L. What a Popl is it's essentially a sticker that you can put on the back of your phone, your wallet, your whatever. Put it on the wall, desk, wherever people will be to get it. And all you have to do to activate it is tap the back of your phone to it. And as you guys can see on the screen, all of your information pops up. For me, I have my social media, so my Instagram, my YouTube, PayPal, Cashapp, and my Popl ambassador link, which is down below in the description. So make sure that you go ahead and check that out. Use promo code ANON, A-N-O-N, for 20% off. Now, let's get into this episode of Sneaker Talk. So, in this episode of Sneaker Talk, man, I'm going to be talking about my next pick-ups, what I am looking forward to pick up, because I am currently in what I call reach back mode. And what do I mean by reach back mode? That means there's nothing, or not nothing, but not much on the horizon that's about to come out that I'm super excited about grabbing. The last shoe that really put me into reach back mode was the Jordan 5 Apple Green, or the Jordan 5 Oregon. That put me in the reach back mode, and so I'm going back and looking at things that I maybe missed out on, maybe potentially chasing grails. Those of you that have been around the last couple of days know that I picked up, not that this was a grail, but it was a shoe that I did reach back on that came out this year, and that is the Air Max 90, or sorry, the Air Max 3 Total Orange. So I definitely did go ahead and reach back and grab those. And in the first video, I mentioned something that may potentially be my next reach back, and that is one of my next reach backs. That is the Air Max 90. They have a royal blue one and they have a rose pink one. I would probably get the rose pink one next if I get it this month, just because October, breast cancer, you know what I mean? I have 3 people in my family, not in my family, I'm actually only related to one of them, but there's 3 people in my life who were diagnosed with breast cancer. All 3 thankfully were able to surpass it, so that is great news for me, and I know it's a struggle for a lot of people. So I definitely am looking forward to getting another pair of pink sneakers to add to my collection. You know what I'm saying? I'm a big breast cancer awareness guy. I understand how it could affect people, how it could affect families. So there's that. So those are shoes that I could potentially reach back and get. But one of them, the Air Max 90 Royal, is a I don't know type of shoe. And what do I mean by I don't know type of shoe? So YouTube, I'm letting you guys know right now, my birthday is coming up soon. My birthday is coming up on October 11th, and you guys know when you have a Nike account and you put your birthday in it, they give you, you know what I'm saying, they give you a gift card, or I'm sorry, not a gift card, but a discount for your birthday, so you're 20% off. Now, I need a blue shoe in my collection. I don't have anything. I have like indigo-ish or like darker navy blues. You know what I'm saying? I got the indigo 12, the Flint 13. I'm trying to think off the top of my head. Well, I have a solid amount of blue shoes, but not like that true royal blue, like that Crayola crayon blue that is on the Royal Blue 90 or the Jordan 3 Blue Cement. Now, like I said, Jordan 3 Blue Cement comes out October 10th. That is a shoe that I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to get it or not. The only reason why I would get it is if I could use my discount on it, but you know how Nike sneakers is. For whatever reason, it's a little weird using your discounts on shoes right when they drop on the sneakers app. But I'm not sure if those are going to sell out or not. Now, the reason why I say that, obviously I'm not ignorant. I know that every single thing with Jordan on it, every Jordan retro has been selling out, at least online on the sneakers app, since this whole pandemic. Everybody thinks they're a reseller now. Everybody has bots. Everybody's going for millions and millions of pairs. Blah, 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 blah. But the reason why I think this may be the one shoe that has the potential to at least sit on the sneakers app for a little bit is because these released overseas like 5 months ago. These are an old sneaker by now. The Jordan 3 Royal or the Jordan 3 Blue Cement is an old sneaker. People already have their pairs. People got them resell. They're not even reselling for that much right now. And them coming out is only going to lower the resale price even more. So them coming out in the US. But I know people that have them. I've seen them in person. Yeah, they have the Jumpman Air on the back. That's not a huge deal for me. It is what it is. I don't care, Jumpman Air or Nike Air. But that is a shoe that I could potentially get. And like I said, I might wait. They come out October 10th. I might wait until October 11th so I could use my birthday discount and see if I could get them on the Nike.com app. Or I might just try to get them day of on the Nike.com app and use my 20% off. But I don't think, I don't want to pay $190 for them. I don't. But 20% off, let's round that up to $200. 20% off is $40, $160. It'll probably cost me a little less than $160. Plus tax. I can hack that for some royal blue 3s, some blue cement 3s. My only problem with the blue cement 3s and how they look is on that type of blue, I'd rather see it on a suede. I don't know why, just something about it looks almost wet to me. It looks almost fake. I'm sure they look great in hand. Like I like red looking like that, like a lot of red, but that's a lot of blue on the shoe. But it's something different for me. I never had a fully blue shoe that's that blue, so you never know. It may be something that I do end up getting at some point, but that's how I'm thinking. And the reason why I bought up the Royal Air Max 90s is because if I don't get those royal blue 3s, I keep saying royal blue. If I don't get those blue cement 3s, then I'll go back and get those royal blue or hyper royal Air Max 90s, because that does have your blue hits in it. But that's pretty much how I'm thinking for the month of October. There's not much else really in the month of October that I'm thinking, but I did see rumors of Air Max 90, a Halloween themed Air Max 90 to come out on Halloween, and it has that it looked like it had like a spider web pattern on the toe. I'm not sure if those were official images or not. But that's pretty much all I'm really looking forward to. Yeah, we're getting those Mocha 1s coming out. If I get them, I'll probably get them to resell them. I'm not the biggest Jordan 1 guy. I do love the Mocha look, so I could potentially end up buying them. I just wish that it was Chicago blocking. I don't like black toe blocking. For whatever reason, the black toe blocking, something about it just gives me a weird vibe. I like Chicago blocking. I like bread blocking. But even if these Mochas had bread blocking, I'd probably like them a little more. But something about that black toe blocking just isn't working for me. Now I know you got all the fake hype beats. Oh, these are better than the Travis Scott ones. Oh, I'd rather have these than the Travis. No, you wouldn't. You would not rather have these than the Travis Scott ones. You're lying to yourself. You're only saying that to yourself to make you feel better because you don't have the Travis Scott ones. Nobody who owns a pair of Travis Scott ones will truthfully say that, yo, if I could only have my Travis Scott ones or my Mocha ones, I'm keeping my Mocha ones. No one will say that. The Travis Scott ones look better. Not even because of the hype. Like, I don't get the Travis Scott. Like, he's not a great rapper to me. He's just a random dude. He's nothing but the Kardashian of sneakerheads. He's just famous for being famous, and anything he touches, people buy it for a lot of money. Yeah, I said it. People who never ate McDonald's their whole life went out and got a quarter pounder because Travis Scott put his name on it. But, those Mochas, like I said, they're weird to me, man. If they were Chicago color blocking, I'd probably get them. If they were bread colored, they'd probably look weird bread color block now that I think about it. But if they were bread color blocked or band color blocked, I might try to pick them up. But I don't know. I'm probably still going to try to get a pair in hand for you guys for a review at the very least. And then maybe flip them or hold them. We'll see what happens with that. But that's what I'm feeling for October. And then out of everything that we know right now, the next shoe that I'm really excited for is the Jordan 4 Fire Red. Yes, I said Fire Red. It is a Fire Red shoe. I love Jordan 4s, but I need some white uppers on my Jordan 4s. I got mostly black, gray, dark upper Jordan 4s, so I would love to have that Fire Red. And speaking of that as well, I did enter the raffle for the PSG 4s, so that may be a thing that happens. Those are going to be extremely hard to get, but I wouldn't mind. If I get the PSG 4s, I probably wouldn't wear them until the rest of the mints come out and see what happens. And might try to flip those, but once again, we'll see what happens, man. But that's pretty much where my sneaker thoughts are. That's pretty much what Sneaker Talk has become. Is just me telling you guys my sneaker thoughts, next pickups, things that I see going on in the culture, how I feel about certain things. But that is it for this one, man. If you like the video, make sure to leave a like. Smash that like button, man. It really helps with the algorithms. Helps the videos go a longer way and potentially bring more people to the Anonymous Sneakerhead channel. Speaking of bringing people to the Anonymous Sneakerhead channel, if you are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Join the channel, join the family. A lot of great things going on here. And then, last but not least, make sure that you go ahead and follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.